Hi, fourth graders. Today I will be reading the article all about Memorial Day to you. Memorial Day is a national holiday that honors U.S. soldiers who died fighting for their country. In 1971, U.S. Congress declared Memorial Day a national holiday to be celebrated on the last Monday of May each year. Memorial Day is a day to remember and pay respect to all the brave men and women that died serving our country in a war. Many people celebrate Memorial Day by visiting cemeteries or war memorials and by leaving flags, flowers, or notes on the graves of the soldiers. People believe that Memorial Day and Veterans Day are celebrated for the same reason. However, there is an important difference between the two holidays. While both honor our military, Memorial Day is a day to remember and pay respect to all the brave men and women that died serving our country in a war, while Veterans Day is to celebrate the soldiers who are still alive and served in the military or armed forces.